Hello guys, in this video, I will show you which trading platform is better between Trading 212 and Plus 500. So let's compare both of them. Number 1, platform features. Trading 212 is known for its sleek app design and zero commission stock trading, while Plus 500 is built around CFD trading with advanced risk management tools like stop limit and guaranteed stop orders. Number 2, asset variety. Plus 500 offers CFDs on Forex, crypto, commodities indices, options, and ETFs, while Trading 212 has a smaller CFD section but supports real stock and ETF ownership, which Plus 500 lacks. Number 3, ease of use. Trading 212 is more intuitive for beginners. On the other hand, Plus 500 has a bit of a learning curve, especially with leveraged trading tools. Number 4, regulation and security. Both of them are regulated across major financial jurisdictions. Plus 500 is listed on the London Stock Exchange, which adds transparency, while Trading 212 is also FCA and SISEC regulated. So for final verdict, if you are a long-term investor or just starting to go with it, you can go with Trading 212. And if you are into a speculative or short-term trading with CFDs, Plus 500 offers more tools and flexibility. So if this video helped you, feel free to like and subscribe for more quick tutorials, reviews, and comparison videos. Thank you for watching.